So when Stefano goes to give drink to Trinculo also after giving it to Caliban, okay, Stefano says, "Doth thy other mouth call me?" So Trinculo shouts Stefano. So Stefano says, "Your other mouth, that is the backwards mouth, is taking my name. Mercy, mercy," means he thinks it's a devil who has come to play a trick on Stefano. She says, "Oh, mercy, mercy. This is a devil and no monster." He's not a monster with 4 legs, but he is a devil who is playing a trick on Stefano. This is what Stefano thinks. "I will leave him. I have no long spoon." Now, what is the reference of long spoon? Please see in the meaning. According to a superstition, a long spoon could help a man to keep the devil away from himself. So, this was a superstition prevailing in the 16th century. So, Stefano says that if I had a long spoon, then devil would not come near me. But because I don't have it, so devil can play any trick on me and can harm me. So, I will be away from this devil. Trinculo says, "Stefano, if thou beest Stefano," so if you are, beest means are, Stefano, "touch me and speak to me." So touch me and talk to me, for I am Trinculo. And then he introduces himself that I am Trinculo. "Be not afeard," means don't be afraid. Don't think that I am a devil. "Thy good friend Trinculo." I am your good friend Trinculo, living human being. I am not a devil. Don't be afraid. And if you are actually Stefano, then talk to me and touch me. So Stefano says, "If thou beest Trinculo," if you are Trinculo, "come forth," then come out. "I will pull thee by the lesser legs." Lesser means shorter legs. So Caliban has long legs, Trinculo has shorter legs. So he says, "I will pull you by the shorter legs. If any be Trinculo's legs," if these are Trinculo's legs, "these are they." So surely these will be the legs of Trinculo. So draws Trinculo out. So he pulls the leg and Trinculo comes out and he stands up. "Thou art very Trinculo indeed." Yes, you are actually Trinculo. "How camest thou to be here?" How come you are here? So Trinculo says, "I took him to be killed with a thunderstroke." Him means you, Stefano. "So I thought that you are killed by the thunder in the shipwreck. But art thou not drowned, Stefano?" Means you are not drowned. "I hope now thou art not drowned." Because I can see you alive, so I am sure that you are saved. You are not drowned. "Is the storm overblown?" Now Trinculo hid himself in the gabardine of Caliban because he was afraid of the storm and thunder. She says, "Is the storm over?" "I hid me under the dead moon calf's gabardine for fear of the storm." Okay, dead moon's calf means a deformed creature. So he saw Caliban lying and he thought he's an islander or a deformed creature. So Trinculo explains that I hid myself in the loose clothes of this deformed creature because I was afraid of the storm. "And art thou living, Stefano?" So Stefano, you are alive. "Oh, Stefano, 2 Neapolitans escaped." Okay, so they are the citizens of Naples, so they call themselves Neapolitans. So 2 Neapolitans are escaped. They don't know that others are also all safe. Okay, they think that only they both are saved and the rest are all dead. So first point we see on this page, Stefano and Trinculo recognize each other, meet each other. Okay, so Stefano says, "Prithi," means I request you, "do not turn me about," means do not change your opinion about me. I am actually Stefano. Don't think me to be a devil. My stomach is not constant. I am not unsteady about myself. So now I cannot do anything to make you believe. So hold the same opinion that I am actually Stefano. Now don't change your opinion about me that I am a devil or this and that." Because Trinculo asks again and again, "Are you Stefano?" She says, "Please don't change your opinion." Now Caliban aside, see what does he believe? Caliban assumes Stefano to be God. Okay, so Caliban says, "These be fine things," means they both are good fellows. They are not the spirits of Prospero who has come to torment me. "And if they be not sprites means spirits, and if they are not spirits, that's a brave God and bears celestial liquor." So if they are not the spirits of Prospero, then one of them, that is Stefano, is the God. So he thinks Stefano to be God. Okay, and why? Because he has that liquor with him, wine. and Caliban finds the taste of that very good, and he thinks that it's a heavenly liquid. So he says that he has such good tasting liquor with him, so he is a god. And now Stephano explains, okay, that how he escaped. See what he says? How dost thou escape? So Stephano asked Trinculo that how did you escape from the shipwreck? How camest thou hither? Hither means here. How did it happen that you came here? Swear by this bottle how thou camest hither. So you have to swear by this bottle and then tell me how you came here. And before Trinculo can tell him, he himself starts telling about how he escaped from the shipwreck. Let's see how. I escaped upon a butt of sack which the sailors heaved overboard by this bottle. Means I swear by this bottle that I am telling the truth. So how did Stephano escape? Please mark this. I escaped. Stephano escaped upon a butt of sack. Butt means container, a large container. Sack means wine. So the sailors heaved means threw overboard, means from the ship they threw it in the water to make the ship lighter because it was sinking. Yes, so to make the ship lighter they threw the containers, large containers of wine in the water, in the sea. Okay, and they were floating. So Stephano also jumped on the container of wine, and that container came on the shore, and Stephano also came on the shore by it. So he says he escaped upon a container of wine which the sailors had thrown overboard, means they have thrown in the waters of the sea. By this bottle, means I swear by this bottle that I am telling the truth, which I made of the bark of a tree. And this bottle I had made from the bark of a tree. With the help of the bark, that is the outer covering of the tree, I have made it myself with my own hands, since I was cast ashore. Cast means thrown. So since I was thrown on this shore at that time, I made this bottle by my own hands.